Hey guys, Sean here, and this is the Advent of Code 2020, Day 2, Part 2. Let's get into it. Okay, so, Part 2. While it appears you validated the passwords correctly, they don't seem to be the official Toboggan Corporation authentication system is expecting. The shopkeeper suddenly realizes that he just accidentally explained the password policy rules from his old job at the sled rental place down the street. Of course. The official Toboggan Corporation policy actually works a little differently. Each policy actually describes two positions in the password, where one means the first character, two means the second character, and so on. Be careful. Toboggan Corporation policies have no concept of index 0. Exactly one of these positions must contain the given letter. Other occurrences of the letter are irrelevant for the purposes of policy enforcement. Given the same example list from above, this one's valid. Position 1 contains A and position 3 does not. This one's invalid. Neither position 1 nor position 3 contain B. This one's invalid. Both 2 and 9 contain C. 2 and 9, 1, 3, and then... Okay. Seems simple enough. So I should be able to use the same code and just alter a few things. So I'll just create a new one here, new query, copy and paste over what I just did previously, but now we're on part 2. Let's go ahead and take the input, the sample input here, and put it in here. I'll just move that other side. Okay, scroll back down. So we need to alright, so instead of it being min max, so we can forget this. We could probably still use the same thing. We don't need to do a count anymore. Just the positions. Okay, I think I can use pretty much everything the same except for this if statement. So let's see. So we'll just say password at substring at index min for length of 1 if that's equal to character we'll just leave this a string. We don't need this to be a char anymore. So get rid of that. So password substring at min for a length of 1 equals, if that equals char, and we want to say end at the other index, it does not equal char. Does not equal the character. So we'll do that. So that checks to make sure that just this one is. But we also need to check if the opposite is true. Right? So what I'll do is I'll say that that's one part of the if statement. And we'll just say or. And let's just copy this and we'll just flip it. Or max min, right? Up. Index, okay, so we need to adjust because they're saying position 1 when really it's position 0, so I need to adjust for that. So I'm going to say negative, I'm just going to subtract 1 from these values. You know what? Why did I do that there? Let's just do it up here. All right, so we got one, um, which is what they got. So let's go ahead and take the input, put it in our input here, save it, let's run it. What did I do here? Did I save it in the wrong file? Saved it in the wrong file. There we go. 294. Let's see, did I get the right answer? Yes, that's the right answer. You have one gold star closer to your saving your vacation. All right, so that's that, guys. As always, there's always another way to do it. This is just my way, and I'm doing whatever's fastest. As we progress through the days, the challenges will get harder, and it might make sense that I actually take a little bit more time with my code and refine certain things. Otherwise, it'll take forever to process. But for right now, I'm just doing whatever's the easiest off the top of my head. So that's that. Thanks, guys.